Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Excel boxes the same size. To manually adjust a column, simply click and drag the boundary between two column letters in the header. Similarly, for rows, click and drag the boundary between row numbers. This gives you quick visual control over your cell dimensions. You can also select multiple columns or rows to adjust them all at once for consistent sizing. For precise control, you can set exact numerical values for column width and row height. Select the desired columns or rows, then go to the Home tab, click Format, and choose either column width or row height. A dialog box will appear where you can enter a specific number, such as 10 units for width or 20 points for height, ensuring uniform dimensions across your selection. Auto Fit is a powerful feature for quick adjustments. Simply double-click the boundary of a column or row header, and Excel will automatically resize it to perfectly fit its content. To apply this across your entire sheet, click the Select All button in the top left corner, then double-click any column or row boundary. This ensures all your data is visible without manual dragging. To efficiently replicate sizing, use the Format Painter. Select a column with the desired width, click the Format Painter, then click on the target column. You can also copy and paste column widths specifically using the Paste Special dialog. For new workbooks, consider setting a default column width, perhaps 8.43 characters, to maintain consistency from the start. This saves time and keeps your spreadsheets tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.